Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to start to learn how to do data entry in Excel. Alright, so why data entry first? So data entry is the most basic feature that is being used in Excel by most of the people, most of the data analysts, most of the accountants. Uh, if you do any job related to data, then you must know how to do data entry in Excel, because in most of the organization Excel is most common used tool for data entry, because it gives us the facilities, it gives us the features that helps us to track our expenses, our sales, our profits, our master data, and help us to visualize that how we can improve our performance, how where we are lacking, where we can overcome our difficulties, or overcome our weaknesses, by looking at the data only, of course. So yeah, let's start it. First, you can see here a worksheet, and you may want to change its size. You may want to zoom in or zoom out, and how we can do that? We can do it by this slide. We can just click on this, or for zoom in, and click on this plus for zoom out, zoom in, and for on this for zoom out. And we can also use this drag button as we want. Zoom in our Excel sheet while they are entering the data, because it gives us a much better idea what they are typing on the screen. So first you want to scroll on this sheet, and for that you can use arrow keys on your keyboard. First I want to come to from I would like to start from the cell A2, and I would use down arrow button and start from here and type sales, and then I will type overhead. And yeah, one more thing, that if you want to go to right to your current cell, then you will like to enter tab. Yeah, and but yeah, if you do not want to go to your right tab, you want to go to the cell that is below you, and that is in downwards, then you will click enter, and you will come to the next bottom cell, and I will type here profit. And one more thing, yeah, if you want to change whatever you have written, you don't have to erase it or something. You just have to go to this cell and just type whatever you want to now. In this case I would like to type it as expense, because these terms are used interchangeably. And one more thing, that if you want to do not overwrite it, or if you want to just modify it a little, you can click F2 button. Now the option to modify it is opened, and I can change its spelling, or I can change its terminology, yeah, into expenses, of course. And then yeah, press tab button. So these are the things, this is how we enter data in Excel. And another things I would like to tell you about data entry, uh, but first let me put down some figures here for sales, like 120, any figures you want, 300, 500, 200, 100. So these are the sales figures, and it is indicating by this cell sales. But for what period it is, you may want to know, you may want to indicate that in your Excel sheet. So now I would come to B1 and type January. And yeah, in this case, whenever we put any sequence number, like uh, month names, quarter 1, quarter 2, week names, dates, or any particular series that we are following, any particular sequence we are following, in all those cases we don't have to write each and everything manually, because we have a autofill options here. How to use it? By coming to the bottom right of the cell, it will when the cursor will be like this, and double click here and drag it to the point you want it. So you see, I did not have to write each and every month name. I just drag it and it provides me the data I wanted, as it was a sequence, as it was a month name. And moreover, the autofill option, we can just come here uh, just to check more options for that autofill provides us. As I told you about January, about the month names, and gave you the example, you can also do it here up to July, by whatever time you want. And then there is Monday, by double clicking here and like this. And now so there is a Q1, one Q quarter, and quarter one. So Excel automatically detects that it is related, it is a sequence like quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. It's Excel is quite smart actually, but yeah, like this it detects everything and we get our data. So yeah, as we can see that we have already filled this row, and I do not want to drag the next I don't want to drag into next row. So what I will do, I will just double click, and it provides me my options, my sequence as I want it, up to the point my left row is written. If I would be writing it much higher and just click from here, see, it will provide me again, it will provide me a sequence up to the point we have written something in on our left row. And now coming to the last one, like this. Yeah, so all these sequences are detected by Excel, and it provides us options to um, uh, autofill, and any particular sequence you want to have in your Excel sheet, in your data, you can also create it by yeah, you can also create it by just typing it like 1 3 5 7. So you can see all above the cells, what I have done is providing the gap of 2 only. And now I will just select this row and drag it. So you can see here Excel automatically detects that what I wanted in my sequence, and it provides me options to autofill the same sequence in the next cells. So yeah guys, this was it about data entry and autofill for this day, and we'll discuss it more in our next videos. So yeah, see ya, bye.